Right, we've got our first train of the day, which is arriving en route to Seaford. This service is being worked by 377450. And at the same time we've got a Brighton bound service pulling in. Nice crossover this one. (377-423) is working the Brighton bound service. (377-450) has just departed, continuing its journey to Seaford. Right, we've got a DB Cargo Class 66 about to storm through with an aggregates train in tow. Awesome stuff. That was definitely moving along at speed. Right, we've got the 1837 service to Seaford about to depart. Off it goes. Word by 377413. Well, we've got 377450 again, this time working the 1839 service to Brighton. (377-423) arriving en route to Seaford. Right, the 1903 service to Seaford is getting underway. Off it goes. Right, 377413 again. This time it's on its way to Brighton. Right, just had 2 Electrostar units pass through at speed en route to Seaford. Right, got the 1936 service to Seaford has just arrived. Right, we got the 2 Electrostar units that passed through earlier. This time they're arriving to stop working a service to Brighton. Here they come. The front unit is 377468.